When we say energy, we usually think of power, right? The power to do something, anything. Energy is the fuel that allows us to operate. If you want to attain something in this world, achieve, acquire anything, you need power. You need energy for it. Your body needs energy in order to exist, and that nature around us is constantly busy exchanging energy in different forms in order to maintain the system of nature of which we are a part. Essentially, all energy is really the result of a conflict between two opposites. That's the basic, one of the basic tenets of Kabbalah. In fact, the only thing that was created was a point, a single desire that's opposite to the light. So you have a point here that was created, meaning a place which is empty of the presence of the creator, which is the force of love, bestowal. Think of him as a plus. Okay, this big plus thing over there. So the creator is the big plus. We're the tiny minus. And the light of the creator starts to work, not even the creator himself, the light, just the light of the creator, this emanation of positive energy is starting to work on this negative place, right? This empty place. And that interaction begins to produce energy. And that energy begins to work to shape that place and to create the rest of the spiritual worlds and partsufim and the sfirot, the souls, and eventually through a process called the shattering, the space-time continuum that we exist in corporeally. All of that is a result of that initial interaction between two opposites.